Hey guys, welcome to this week's midweek episode of R&D Garage. So today we are putting on the mini headlights. If you watched the previous weekend's video, you know that we actually got the mini engine to turn over. So this is super exciting. We're going to go ahead and try to finish all the trim and everything and really get this baby back on the road. So, okay, the first thing I did was put this into place with a couple of bolts, or actually it was just kind of hanging on there for now. But what I'm going to do is put these 4 screws on, and then I'll show you what comes next. And it's important to line them up, so there we go. So I'm just going to let it sit there and do the next one. Remember, you never want to really tighten down all the way until they're all in. And I find it funny how even the bolts are rusty, or the screws are rusty. Okay, I'll get the next part. Headlamp time. Okay, so the back of this will connect up with the connector right here. So this is going to be just a little plug, and it should snap right on. Oops, we don't want to get the front here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and so this goes back like that, and then this comes up and over to snap it into place. And it really will only work one way, which is kind of nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in these little teeny tiny screws, which this should be interesting. And it's important not to make these too tight because they strip easy. Okay, can you guess what's next? So now we're putting the finishing touch. This one is a bit of a bear to put on, but once it's on, it'll be snapped and screwed securely in place. So, okay, there's a little nub on top, which in Minnie's wisdom kinda is centered on top, not really, but you know, it's a little bit of a guide. So we first start from the top, but you also have to make sure that the screw hole on the bottom is lined up with the hole. So it may be easier for you to do this like upside down. I'm gonna try it like this first and see. So we want to start, like I said, from the top, and it should be able to snap into place here. Oops. That looks, there we go. Knew I could do it. Okay, but it's not over until the screw is in, so let's hope this is in the right spot. Oh boy, that went right in. Crap, this may not be in the right spot. Let's see if it catches. is indeed in the right spot. Perfect. Ooh, well, isn't that pretty? Well, guys, thanks for joining me for this midweek update. I'm going to go ahead and finish her off on the other side, and we'll be bringing you another mini video shortly.